Hello, everybody. Now we are on a verge of change. Every change requires intention, and if you tell your brain that you intend to change, your powers of perception propel you in the right direction. Earlier, when we were not begin with these words, the people were having difficulty with vocabulary, and I have found many people who say that I can't do anything about it. To them, I have only one suggestion. Instead of saying that I can't do something about it, you can say I can find someone who can do something about it. Actually, this is the right set of approach because by this approach, you just transfer your burden, your stress to someone else who can handle it in a better way. Okay. Now, as we are learning new words and every word is associated with a particular idea or even more than one idea. So your exposure to these words are in a way exposing you to new set of ideas, and all those ideas will transform you into someone else. For example, I will tell you a story about how people see the things in this world. For example, there was a man who was drinking a mango shake. Many of us have tasted mango shake. Now, many of them will think while drinking it that oh, the mangoes are good in taste. Some may think I love this yellow color of the shake, but there will be a few who will think, oh, does it really hurt a tree when the mangoes are plucked from the tree? Means every time we are exposed to a situation, the thinking of different people go in different directions and lead to different results. Even I will tell you one more instance when there was a person who got an injury and blood stream was gushing out of that injury. Then what happened is he was nervous to see the blood rushing out of the injury, the pain that the injury caused him. And then suddenly his thinking shifted to the crimson color of the blood, the red color of the blood. And he was so engrossed in that red color that he just forgot about his injury. And then his thinking shifted to the flow of blood in his body, how different particles, WBCs, RBCs travel in the superhighway of arteries and veins. Means all of us have different perceptions of the world around or world inside us. And to have those perceptions, you require, or to express those perceptions, you should have a knowledge of words. So that is what we are here for. Okay, so for today's word, the first word is analogous. Analogous. It means comparable. Comparable. Example: she called our attention to the things that had been done in an analogous situation and recommended that we should do the same. What happens when people make policies for a country or a particular group? They look for the similar situations in which people have successfully ended up with a good result, and then they try to implement those policies to the present group. One more example: the present situation in the province is analogous to the one that prevailed in 1990s. Next word is analogy. ANALOGY. It means similarity, parallelism. Similarity or parallelism. Now, example for this is, your analogy is not a good one because the two situations are not similar. Next example: although they have widely different structures, there is a functional analogy between wings of birds and wings of insects. But there is no analogy between wings of birds and wings of aeroplane. Next word is anarchist. ANARCHIST. Person who rebels against the established order. An advocate of anarchism, or a person who wants to overturn the government. Example: if our town was ruled by anarchists, everyone could do what they wanted all the time. Next example: only the total overthrow of all governmental regulations would satisfy anarchists. Next word is anarchy. ANARCHY. Absence of governing body or state of disorder. Example: the assassination of leaders led to a period of anarchy. Assassination means killing. Just as it happened last year when Benazir Bhutto was killed in Pakistan, it led to a period of anarchy in Pakistan. Next example: when the government was overthrown, the country fell into a state of anarchy. Next word is anathema. ANATHEMA. It means solemn curse. Someone or something that is considered as a curse. Example: the plague that swept through the village acted as an anathema upon the local people, killing lot of people or taking life of lot of people. Next example: cannibalism is considered anathema to any civilized person. Now, what is cannibalism? Snakes exhibit cannibalism, means snakes eat snakes. In a similar way, if human beings start eating human beings, that is called cannibalism. So cannibalism is considered as an anathema to any civilized society. Next word is anathematize. ANATHEMATIZE. It also means curse. The village panchayat tried to anathematize the woman and pressed her to leave the village, or forced her to leave the village. Next word is anchor. ANCHOR. It means secure or fasten firmly, be fixed in place. Be fixed in place. Example: We set the post in concrete to anchor it in place. Next example. This is the spot they told me about. Slide in the anchor so we can start to fish. Next word is ancillary. Ancillary. It means serving as an aid or accessory, auxiliary. Example, she used several ancillary tools during her presentation, including a slideshow and a bar graph. Now, PowerPoint presentation, which is a tool used in presentations, is an ancillary. Similarly, we use laser pointer to point out the bulleted points during presentation on a screen. That is also ancillary device. Next word is anecdote. Anecdote. It means short account of an amusing or interesting event. We all shares different anecdotes with friends. Example, my teacher always makes our subject matter clear by telling relevant anecdotes. Anecdote is a little personal story. They are often put in oral presentations, but they also come up in conversations, and they are really good to hear. Next word is anemia. Anemia. It is a medical condition in which blood lacks red blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscles consist of hemoglobin, which is responsible for absorption of oxygen. The doctor ascribes her tiredness to anemia. Next example, my doctor told me that the reason I had been feeling so tired lately was due to having anemia. Next word is anesthetic. Anesthetic. Anesthetic is a substance that removes sensation with or without loss of consciousness. Anesthetics are given to patients during medical treatment in operation theatre when they are to be cut or a incision is to be made in body, then anesthetics is given. Example, his monotonous voice acted like an anesthetic. His audience was soon asleep. This happens many times in formal speeches. Formal speeches are considered to be boring, and due to boring nature of those speeches, many of the people fall asleep while hearing. Next example, when Jimmy needed to get his wisdom teeth taken out, the dentist gave him the proper anesthetic to relieve the pain of the surgery. Okay, the surgery is the right word. Next word is anguish. Anguish. It means acute pain, extreme suffering. Example, visiting the site of explosion, Prime Minister wept to see the anguish of the victims and their families. I was running and I felt anguish. Now here anguish means acute pain. Next word is angular. Angular. Angular means sharp cornered, stiff in manner. Example, his features, though angular, are curiously attractive. Next example, His face was rather angular in shape. Next word is animadversion. Animadversion. It means critical remark. Animadversion means critical remark. Example: he resented the animadversions of his critics, particularly because he realized they were true. Next example: the film critic seems to have offered animadversions on nearly every movie made this year. Next word is animated. Animated. It means lively or full of life. The student gave an animated presentation about her Hawaiian vacation, so it was easy to see that she had a wonderful time. Next example: I loved how animated the children are when they open their Christmas gifts. Next word is animosity. Animosity. It means active enmity, to be filled with hate. Now, example for this is: the woman was filled with animosity when she saw the man who had murdered her parents. Next example: he incurred the animosity of the ruling class because he advocated limitations of their power. Next word is animus. Animus. It means hostile feeling or intent. Example: there are many aggressive people in the world who have an animus intent to several people. Means they are filled with hate to peoples of other community, like racial discrimination. We can say the people who discriminate people racially are having animus for them. Next word is annals. Annals. It means records, history. Example: in the annals of this period, we find no mention of democratic movements. Next word is anneal. Anneal. It means reduce brittleness and improve toughness by heating and cooling. Actually, it is a process by which the properties of a material are improved, or a properties like toughness is imparted to a material. Example: after the glass is annealed, it will be less subjected to chipping and cracking. As we know, glass by nature is brittle, and when we anneal glass, it is it becomes less brittle, it develops toughness and is less susceptible to fracture. Next word is annihilate. Annihilate. It means destroy. Example: the enemy in its revenge tried to annihilate the entire population. One more example: it was decided to conduct a massive bombing campaign to annihilate any enemy troops in the area. Next word is annotate. Annotate. It means comment, make explanatory notes. Example: the annotation she made was amazing compared to Shakespeare's original skit. Reporters in press conferences annotate the points in the speech of the people who call the press conference. Annotation helps because it takes less time and focuses on basic points. Next word is annuity. ANNUITY. It means yearly allowance. The annuity she has set up with the insurance company supplements her social security benefits so that she can live very comfortably without working. Next word is annual. ANNUL. It means make void, declare invalid, or declare to have had no legal existence. Example: the parents of the eloped couple tried to annul the marriage. Eloped couples are those couples who escape and then get married. One more example: annual decisions of the lower courts. Now in our country, Supreme Court is the apex court and its decisions, annual decisions of the lower courts. It means Supreme Court's decision has a higher value. Next word is anodyne. ANODYNE. Drug that relieves pain or opiate. Opiate is derived from opium and it causes insensitivity to pain. Example: his pain was so great that no anodyne could relieve it. Next word is anoint. ANOINT. It means consecrate, make sacred, dedicate to the service of. Example: the prophet Samuel anointed David with oil, coining him the king of Israel. Next word is anomalous. ANOMALOUS. It means abnormal or irregular. Example: he was placed in the anomalous position of seeming to approve procedures that he despised or that he disliked. One more example: when the results of a test are anomalous, the procedure is usually repeated. Next word is anomaly. ANOMALY. It means irregularity. Example: a bird that cannot fly is an anomaly. Next example: it was clearly an anomaly for the temperature to reach 60 degrees in New York yesterday. It isn't generally that warm in February. Next word is anonymity. ANONYMITY. A state of being nameless. Anonymousness. Example: the donor of the gift asked the college not to mention him by name. The dean readily agreed to respect his anonymity. Next example: a large sum of money was contributed by the anonymous donor. One more example: because the page was unsigned, the writer of the poem remains anonymous. Next word is antagonistic. ANTAGONISTIC. It means hostile, opposed, showing or feeling active opposition or hostility towards something or someone. Example: I do not understand her antagonistic attitude towards me. I have never done anything wrong to her. Next example, despite his lawyer's best efforts to stop him, the angry prisoner continued to make antagonistic remarks to the judge. Next word is antecede, Antcede. It means precede, be earlier in time, or go back further. Example, stone tools precede bronze tools. Other example, the invention of the radio telegraph anteceded the development of television by a quarter of a century. Next word is antecedents, Antecedents. A thing or event that existed before or logically precedes another. Antecedents also means a person's ancestors or family and social background. Example, the atomic bomb is the antecedent to the hydrogen bomb. Next example, the antecedent term for you was thou. Next word is antediluvian, Antediluvian. It means antiquated, ancient, out of date, or of the time before the floods. Example, the researchers argued that the lab's equipment was antediluvian and long overdue for replacement. One more example, the antediluvian costumes are out of date. Another example, the antediluvian customs had apparently not changed for thousands of years and are still existent in their earlier forms. Next word is anthropoid, Anthropoid. It means man-like, resembling a human being in form. Example, the gorilla is the strongest of the anthropoid animals. Next word is anthropologist, Anthropologist. It means a student of the history and science of humankind, or a person who studies humans in various contexts. These contexts include physical, biological, social or cultural, linguistic and archaeological backgrounds. Example, anthropologists have discovered several relics of prehistoric humans in this area. One more example, forensic anthropology was used to determine the cause of death. Next word is anthropomorphic, Anthropomorphic. Its meaning is having human form or characteristics. Any non-human entity with human-like traits and qualities is called anthropomorphic. Example, Mickey Mouse is an anthropomorphic animal. Now you all know Mickey Mouse, it is a cartoon character. It is not a human being. Similarly, most of our deities have anthropomorphic characteristics. This was the last word for today. Thank you.